This month, we're officially launching PowerPoint to Video, an innovative solution that transforms your presentation into an engaging video, complete with a natural AI voiceover.
Welcome to our presentation on public speaking solutions. Our agenda includes an introduction.
From business decks to educational tutorials, PPT to Video transforms your slides into a high-impact video presentation. Let your presentations speak for themselves with PowerPoint to Video from Pictory. We've also made some major improvements to the visual search filters. Now, you can refine your search by categories such as aerial footage, business clips, people, places, and more. Choose a style filter to find the perfect visual to match the look and feel of your project. Or select a format of landscape or portrait to find clips that fit your preferred aspect ratio. We're excited to see how you put these new features to use in your next video with Pictory.